The iQOO Z10 is an upcoming mid-range smartphone expected to launch in India on April 11, 2025. It features a 6.77-inch quad-curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak brightness of 5000 nits, offering vibrant and clear visuals even under direct sunlight. Powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, the phone is paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth performance for both daily use and gaming. One of its key highlights is the massive 7,300 mAh battery, supported by 90W fast charging that can take the battery from 0 to 50% in just 33 minutes. On the camera front, it sports a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, and a 2MP secondary sensor, while selfies and video calls are handled by a 32MP front camera. The iQOO Z10 runs on Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15 layered on top. Pricing is expected to start at 21,999 Indian rupees, with potential discounts bringing the cost down to 19,999 Indian rupees during the launch.